Introducing the Ringke Bezel Styling. The Apple Watch has the most elegant and delicate design of all modern smartwatches. However, it is highly exposed to impact and scratches. Ringke Bezel Styling promotes protection, but not at the cost of the minimalist design. With each modification, we've discovered new ways to minimize the overall weight and bulk of the bezel styling. The stainless steel Sus-31, primarily used in traditional watches, has been incorporated into the forging of the bezel styling. The bezel styling completes the Apple Watch's unique and diverse fashion sense and gives you assurance and protection. Ringke Bezel Styling comes in a variety of diverse and vibrant shades to match your individual style. Make the most of your Apple Watch with Ringke Bezel Styling.